how do I change an automatic PPC campaign into a fixed bid or manual campaign? To my knowledge, now when I'm recording this May 26, 2026, you do not have that option. You cannot do that. So if a campaign is automatic, it will stay automatic. Let me actually reread your question, because you might be asking something else that I'm not thinking of. So I think here just a bit of clarification would be helpful, because you're asking how do you change an automatic PPC campaigns into a fixed bid or manual bid. Okay, so I understand now what caused my confusion. You're asking about an automatic PPC campaign. Now there are two campaigns types: auto campaign, manual campaigns. Auto campaigns is wherever Amazon decides to show your product for, and then there you have a few selections where do you actually want your ad to show. But manual campaigns are not auto campaigns. So I think this is what threw me off with a fixed bid or manual campaign. So there are two ad types, right? So sponsored products, let's say, we can create either auto campaigns, we can create either manual campaigns. Now, when it comes down to fixed bid, dynamic bid, for both of them, this is available, both for auto campaigns and both for manual campaigns. How you're going to bid, the bidding type, it is going to be available. I'm not sure when it comes down to how would you change this or what the question is, but as you go, like a rule of thumb, if you created an auto campaign, you cannot switch it to a manual campaign, and neither if you created a manual campaign, you cannot switch it to an auto campaign. But if you created a fixed bid and you want to have a dynamic bid or dynamic down only, you can do that in both campaigns.